What was that? You're trying to figure out what you're doing? You're telling me you're trying to make a YouTube video and you don't know what you're doing? How awful. Is that an alcoholic beverage I see? YouTube's gonna like demonetize you for sure.
They will. They will too. Yeah, if only I got monetized, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you need more followers for that.
Yeah, if you would like to subscribe to the channel, just go ahead and take care of that. Slap a big fat like on here and yeah, you know, the same thing everybody else says all the time, every time.
Smash it, right? Slap it, twist it.
I'm not that much of a
bop it. Open.
Woo! Don't smell that. That's very powerful. Just can't get enough now.
There's children around you.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing,
oh
Clack?
No.
Make sure you're on a level surface. Which we're not.
We're not.
But it doesn't matter that much.
It's about 4 to 5 degrees.
Nice and easy. He's like, stop! I'm like, ah! I'm gonna be passing this off to you, by the way.
Passing what off to
It says
me?
to shake for 2 full minutes. Guess who's doing the shaking? Not me.
Well, I can't hold a camera and shake.
Well, I'm gonna be taking the camera from you.
Well, then is this going on my YouTube channel?
Come on, man. Give me something.
This is it. Welcome to the Black Couch casting.
Oh.
That's it?
This is it. This is all you're getting. Maybe a little butthole action later.
So it's okay.
Yeah, you need like 2,000 more subscribers for that.
No, I need 400 to get a grand total of 1,000. Talks a lot of smack all the time. Leave a comment down below. Whose beard's better?
Oh, mine, obviously. I just
Oh,
got
man.
it shaved too. Trimmed up.
How similar they are, though. That's the first thing I said when we pulled up. I was like, he's got your beard. It's the same.
We're not similar. Mine's
Long
better.
Streak down the middle. Yeah.
You just got so many stragglies everywhere.
Stragglies.
Look at those.
Dude, I just wanted to get a haircut yesterday.
It's trash.
Dude.
Finger straighten off the trigger until you're ready to fire, right?
A little bit of a tool.
A little bit of a tool.
A little bit of a tool.
Yeah, a little bit of a gay boy.
40 to 60 PSI.
We're at 65. You want me to take it down?
No, that's cool, man.
Okay.
You can if you want. But...
You're spraying it, man. Yeah, let's take it down. That's not the same.
This should be banging.
Yeah. Oh. Man, how's your...
Dude, look at how banging that thing's looking, man. What?
How
Holy
is your viewers gonna know what you're doing if you don't explain it?
Because there's
Step by
2,000
step.
other videos of doing this that explain it 10 times better than I will ever be able to.
But that's not the point, Frank.
The point is you're doing this stuff with me, and that's what's important, right? So, by the way, kids, you should probably wear like eye and like protect eye pro and mask and stuff.
You know, we stopped the video.
Well, we're in probably the most well ventilated area you can be. Nice slight breeze.
Dude, this should be your thumbnail, and then like an arrow, like dad bod, right to your gut.
Oh yeah. I have that already.
I know.
Dad bod incoming.